Plant FAQs. Begonia immense. Begonia immense. Unveiling the beauty and care of this giant begonia. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today we're diving deep into the world of a truly magnificent houseplant, the Begonia immense. This isn't your average begonia. As the name suggests, the immense boasts gigantic leaves that can easily reach 18 inches, 45 centimeters, across, transforming any indoor space into a lush jungle oasis. But its size isn't the only captivating aspect. Let's explore everything you need to know about caring for this beauty. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia immense? The Begonia immense is a rare, rhizomatous hybrid, believed to be a cross between Begonia Ricinifolia and another, possibly unidentified, begonia species. This powerhouse combination results in a truly impressive plant. Its large, light green leaves are captivating, with a slightly ruffled texture and prominent veins. Unlike some giant leaf begonias, the immense has an open growth habit, meaning the leaves are spaced out on hairy red petioles, creating a visually striking display. While the foliage takes center stage, the immense does surprise you with delicate clusters of pinkish-white flowers that bloom during winter and early spring. These inflorescences add a touch of elegance to the overall form. Begonia immense versus Begonia ricinifolia, a tale of two titans. Naturally, with Ricinifolia in its name, comparisons between the immense and Begonia ricinifolia arise. Here's a quick breakdown. Size. Begonia ricinifolia boasts impressive leaves, but the immense takes the crown with even larger foliage. Leaf shape. The Ricinifolia has slightly more rounded leaves, while the immense's leaves are more lobed. Growth habit. Begonia ricinifolia can be bushier, while the immense has a more open, airy structure. Flowers. Both have pinkish flowers, but the immense's inflorescences might be slightly larger. Ultimately, both are stunning plants. The immense offers a more dramatic presence due to its larger leaves and open growth habit, while the Ricinifolia might be a touch easier to manage due to its slightly smaller size. How to care for Begonia immense. Bringing a Begonia immense home is exciting, but proper care is essential for it to thrive. Here are some key things to remember. Light. The immense prefers bright, indirect light. South-facing windows might be too harsh, so consider east or west-facing ones. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. A humidifier or pebble tray filled with water can help. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Consider adding perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. With proper care, your Begonia immense can reward you with years of lush foliage and delicate blooms. How big can a Begonia immense get? Under ideal conditions, the immense can reach up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters, tall and wide. Is the Begonia immense rare? Yes, it's less common than many other begonias, but it's becoming increasingly available from specialist nurseries and online retailers. Is the Begonia immense toxic to pets? Unfortunately, yes. Like many begonias, the immense contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating or toxic to cats, dogs, and other pets if ingested. Can I propagate a Begonia immense? Yes. Propagation through leaf cuttings is possible, but it can be a slow process. Conclusion. The Begonia immense. A statement piece for plant enthusiasts. The Begonia immense is a showstopper for any plant lover. Its giant leaves and elegant flowers create a dramatic focal point in your home. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate this magnificent plant for years to come. If you're looking for a unique and conversation-starting houseplant, the Begonia immense is definitely worth considering. Just remember, with great beauty comes a little extra responsibility in terms of providing the right environment for it to flourish. Happy planting!